To get started with the TapTap game review section, first navigate to the TapTap website or open the TapTap app on your mobile device. Once you are on the platform, search for the game you want to review by typing its name in the search bar. After finding the game, click on it to open its dedicated page. Here you will see various sections such as game description, screenshots, and reviews. To access the review section, scroll down to the Reviews tab and click on it. In the review section, you can read reviews from other users to get an idea of the game's quality and gameplay. You can also filter reviews based on their rating, date, and helpfulness. This helps you find the most relevant and useful reviews. To write your own review, click on the Write Review button. You will be prompted to sign in to your TapTap account if you are not already logged in. Once signed in, you can give the game a rating out of 5 stars and write your review in the text box provided. When writing your review, be honest and provide constructive feedback. Mention the game's strengths and weaknesses, and suggest improvements. Keep your review concise and to the point, and avoid using abusive language or spamming. After writing your review, click the Submit button to post it. Your review will be visible to other users, and you can also edit or delete it later if needed. Remember to follow TapTap's community guidelines when writing your review, and always be respectful to other users and the game developers. By following these steps, you can effectively use the TapTap game review section to share your opinions and read reviews from other users. This helps you make informed decisions about the games you want to play, and also contributes to the gaming community by providing valuable feedback to game developers.